Get excited about the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.